Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys. Today is the new setup. This is my clinique. Let me show you yeah, this is my setup. Welcome back to my channel. Basically what I follow during normal routine, जो मुझे लगता है वीक में एक बार या दो बार तो भी कर लेना चाहिए. That's how your skin breathes actual में. So without wasting further time, let's just start the video. और हाँ, अगर आप नए हैं तो please like this video and share and subscribe. Let's go ahead.
Hey guys, I have prepped with step number 0, that is steaming. So मैंने steam ले ली है face पे and now I'm ready to step number 1, that is scrubbing. I'm using here Ever Youth का face scrub, walnut face scrub, and slowly I'll put it on my face and ever so gently I'll start scrubbing. I'll involve all the face gently and slowly every area, and especially the nose area where the build-up is more, and avoiding the eye area which is very sensitive, along with the neck region. We'll do this for few more times, like say about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, after waiting for 10 minutes, we'll wash our face and then we'll pat dry. Now instantly you will see कि चेहरा निखर गया है एकदम से. So now we'll do to second step, that is jejuvolcanic nose pack. This is from the brand Innisfree. This is a Korean brand and it is having some this kind of strips. Everything is mentioned on the strips, and we'll open it up. After opening up, it looks like this kind of, and we'll strip off the strip from the plastic coating and we'll place it on the nose. But before placing, we have to wet the area. So we'll wet the area nicely and then we'll place this strip. While placing, slowly put the first stop, then slowly just pat it and it will get stick automatically to your skin. It is very lightweight first of all, and it doesn't feel very sticky, stretchy kind of. So now step number 3 is again from the brand Innisfree. It is their bestseller jejuvolcanic face pack. Outer carton it's like this, and inner they are having cute small tub, and I'll be applying this with my foundation brush. Yeah. So let's start the application, and slowly I'll use this brush and put the face pack. See, this using the brush is very handy because it spreads the product evenly and it will prevent from discontamination. So this is very nice technique to apply the face packs. And I'm done with the whole face, and we'll wait again for the 15 minutes. Yeah. By the time you can enjoy the music till it dries, and yeah, it dried. So we'll remove it slowly. Oh god. No, it's not tingling or so, it's removing very easily. I'm just doing dirt hair वो easy अच्छे से without much pressure निकल जाए. You have to do this slowly, yes, so that आपकी skin को ज़्यादा तकलीफ ना हो. Yeah, so it has removed quite very well, I must say. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm just moving my finger all over my face and I just instantly feel very smooth. Yeah, so it's true, it works guys, it works. And yes, I've washed my face and I'm back again doing again the patting of my skin slowly, and it's really feeling refreshed now. Everything is so good. Now I'll be moving to fourth step, that is my favorite, is face masking. These are the sheet masks and it contains a very nice active ingredients in a drum form which you can use. It will help your skin. I have many into that. Again, I've used Innisfree's right face brightening mask. Inside packaging like it looks like this, and we'll open this up and we'll place. Clearly the face mask is quite big for my face. So I'll be taking time to adjusting this face mask. We'll pat it really nicely. We'll try to cover maximum area, avoiding the eye area again. And I'll be using the serum inside it, whatever is there, अच्छे से and I'll be applying all this to my neck as well as to my arms, wherever I feel it will work. And again we'll wait for 15 minutes and I'm back. So we'll remove this face mask very easily, and yeah, now the skin is really hydrated. It's very very dewy, so it's getting its nourishment what it needs, and yeah, it's really brightened of my face now. I could see. So yeah, it feels so refreshed, and I'm back with washing it again, and I've cleaned, and yeah, it feels really fresh. This mask are very soothing actually. बहुत ठंडा एंड कूलिंग इफेक्ट देते हैं. आफ्टर दैट आई बी यूजिंग माई फेवरेट टोनर विच इज़ रोज़ वाटर फ्रॉम कामा आयुर्वेदा. आई जस्ट स्प्रे इट ऑन 2 to 3 pumps, and it's my favorite among all the steps actually. I'll wait for 5 minutes and then I'll be using my moisturiser. This is the very cult product from the Clinique one. Yes, Clinique Moisture Surge, and I'll be requiring a very small quantity because already I've used the face mask all over, so अच्छा खासा hydrate. Doesn't feel dry at all. I do have oily skin people and I use very little quantity of moisturizer during daytime. Yes, nighttime I'll use a lot. So yeah, and not but not the least, it is the lip balm. This is my again one of the favorites, Vaseline ka cocoa butter lip balm. It's having really nice smell, and yeah, so quickly we are done with our skincare.
कैसा लगा वीडियो? सो आई विल होप कि आपको हेल्प आउट किया होगा स्किन केयर में. एंड अगर हम मेंटेन रखें ऐसे ही, सो अपनी स्किन मिनिमल इस पे भी मेंटेन रहती है अच्छे से. दिस इज़ हाउ वी डू डेली. बस बात ये होती है कि ये मेंटेन करना मुश्किल है. हफ्ते में 2 बार या फिर रिक्वायर्ड एज पर आप खुद देखो, अपनी स्किन को फील करो कि कैसे लगता है. यू फील नो एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, यू कैन डू दिस वंस और ट्वाइस द वीक आई फील. एंड 15 दिन में भी लगे तो तभी भी कर सकते हो आप. एवरीथिंग रियली हेल्प्स. एंड होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल एज वेल, सो दैट आपको मेरे और वीडियोज़ की अपडेट मिलती रहे. एंड ये काफ़ी रैंडम सा इंट्रो एंड ये है. सो होप you'll enjoy it furthermore as well, and you'll check out my other videos as well. Bye, take care.